I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the app is updated and you're logged into the right account. This avoids removing the wrong spotlight clips. Once done, open your profile and tap the settings gear to access privacy controls. Make sure to locate the spotlight or My Content area under Settings. This initial navigation gets you straight to where spotlight items are managed, so you don't waste time hunting through menus. Now that you're in the right section, move on to selecting the specific clip. You'll see a list or grid of your published spotlight clips. Tap the one you want removed to open it. Next, use the three-dot menu or More options and choose Delete or Remove from Spotlight. This triggers the app to unpublish that clip. Confirm when prompted so the action completes. Snapchat then queues the removal on their servers. Be patient. It can take a few minutes for the clip to vanish everywhere. If you changed your mind, check if there's an undo briefly available. After confirming deletion, refresh the Spotlight view, and if needed, log out and back in to verify the content is removed across devices. If the clip remains visible or you see duplicates, open Settings Right Arrow Support. Right arrow I need help to report the issue. Provide screenshots and the clip timestamp to speed resolution. Make sure you keep evidence like timestamps or clip ID. Finally, be aware edits or re-uploads may reappear, so permanently remove the original media from your device and memories to prevent accidental republishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.